Hi all and welcome to 1 Division Street, Riccarton. Now this is a nice little complex. It's very small. There's only 7 units in it. It's infill housing, so it's brand new off the plan in a really solid location. Price point is very low, $485 to $549, which for 2-bedroom townhouses is very cheap. That means good cash flow, $5,000 to $7,000 per unit per annum on average based on the rental assessments we've had, in a median location which is higher than purchase price at $515. That's pretty hard to beat. Not a lot of townhouses sell in this location because the ones that do sell are typically old and cold, but there's still 100,000 of those per annum, and this is a product that's so early at its stage, its life cycle stage, that it's pretty hard to beat. But for us, airport, university, CBD, all very close. Tenants are going to flock to these. They're 2-bedroom townhouses, $5,000 to $7,000 forecast pre-tax positive. That's in your pocket after paying all of your interest, all of your rates and insurance in such a good location for a brand new property. Just unheard of. So check out 1 Division Street, Riccarton, and all the information's on our website.